Today I'm going to show you how you can check the battery health of your laptop. So to start, you press Windows key and R, go to CMD and type CMD and press enter. Press enter and then you go to CMD. Here you're going to type power CFG backslash battery report and press enter. After that, you get this path. All you want to do is just copy this path, Control C, and then you press Windows E, go to Explorer, and come and type here the battery path you copied, press enter, and it brings you to the battery report. And it's very useful information here. And you can see lots of things here like cycle count. 53 times this battery has been fully charged and used. Usually these cycles they go around 800 to 1000. So there's a lot of battery life left in this battery. And you can see all the details like recent usage by date and time and how many hours it was active, battery usage, history,